Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to block someone from commenting on your Instagram posts. To do this, you just need to go open your Instagram account and after that, go to any profile. For example, I will go to this profile, and if I don't want this girl to comment on my posts, I just need to go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and after that choose the first option, restrict. And as you can see now, like with this restriction, she can't comment on my posts, and if she comment on my posts, these comments are only will be visible for me and her until I approve these comments. And if you want to let the person comment again on your post, you just need to go to click on the three dots and click on unrestrict, and it will be she will have the access again to comment on all your posts and without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.